Well, this is a fridge that was abandoned. Due because of unprofessional guys. Alright, put in some 404 in it. That's a high pressure gas than the 134A. But I'm going to use that to pressurize it, see where the leak is at, and then bring this back from the dead. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I reach as far as adding a valve and pressure testing, rubbing down, cleaning up this small 20 cubic freezer. I cut the wall there and find out that right there the copper, not copper but aluminum line that joined to the copper leaking. That's the evaporator. So there is no compressor, there is only the thermostat, wire cut off, everything cut off. I'm going to restore back this, starting to clean it up and rub it down. Going to restore it and use it for a small chest freezer. Stay tuned. Okay, a little update on the small, restoration. Mark, I don't spray it yet. Just need to make sure it works. I just kind of use some white, and sand and draw over the area down here where I'm putting the compressor. Okay, so I send the evaporator line through there, suction line. I have over here, put in the lines coming from the condenser. That's a static condenser for a 1.6 compressor. Starting device. The mishaps, the thermostat not working, so I pull it out and put in one. However, this one is not able to go back inside the house in there, so I'm going to need to get a workable thermostat. Yesterday I put in that compressor. That was the first compressor, but it seemed like the winding of that compressor, even though I changed the oil, the POE oil, it's still giving me some black thing coming out in the discharge line. And it actually, I think, is, make some restriction where, the capillary and this filter is concerned. So, change the filter, change the compressor, and I'm on the way. Gonna look inside. Take a look at the amperage right now. You know that when I look at 5, 10, 15, it's gonna pump down. Well, look, it's having ice already. Yeah, make it go on, take time to come down the temperature. Alright, that's our update. GTM refrigeration. Yes. Well, yes, even though it's pieces, this is, the pitchy patchy fridge, small, deep freeze. I've already, installed the evaporator line, the tubing for the line. Also install the capillary, and I install the thermostat vane. Working on the thermostat and connection. Working on putting in the compressor. Okay. As time go on, I'll give you more updates, and I'll show you definitely the finished product. Sorry that I didn't catch all the work done and the preparation to installing the evaporator. Alright, stay tuned for the condenser and the rest of parts. Much different yes, GTM refrigeration update on my little chest freezer. You know, look at ice, sparkling. You know, everything inside here is just solid. Yes, and fish fillet. You call them a silver fries, bug juice, neck, pork, sausage. You understand? Peas. Not to mention underneath it we all of the chicken, and we have 3 levels. You understand? Is it chicken and meat and all this type. Look, you're supposed to see the frost. Yeah? Can't see the frost. Right now, frost. Look at that. That I tell us the minus 15 right now because we just opened that. Get your monitor. You understand this? See it? Minus 20. You know, this I show right here. So, yeah, frost. Okay. You understand? You know, these are just very fast. Yeah, only thing left right now I just feed for, paint, prime and spray. I even put in back the thermostat. You understand, thermostat wasn't working. I set up even the fast freeze, which is a turbo freeze connection. This only bypass thermostat and all of this thing that once you turn this on, it freezes continuously. No stop running for the compressor. You understand? Yeah. I went ahead and insulate the lines. I understand how this cut right here, so I get ice right here, so look like piece of something, cut something this way to drip a little water. Down to the insulation. When the line come out, we put foam it come out, you understand? Yeah. Even put in one of those delay and start, which is a delay and make relay. That means I give it an additional 3 minutes. It can't just chip back in and come in. So, you understand? Yeah. Nicely. Right. So that's it. Master Tech from G.